we have a Hardinge Precision Tool Room Lathe, model HLV-H, serial number HLV-H 14295T. Machine was new in 1992, but reconditioned this year in 2022. We had the bed plate reground, and the tersite under the carriage replaced, and the cross slide also reground, new spindle bearings, and this machine is ready to go. We also repainted it, by the way. So, right now we're running. He's feeding it to the left. You can see on the digital readout that it's feeding. We have an accurate digital readout. Now he's reversed it. And that's the cross slide. Again, you can see it on the digital readout. And the other direction of the cross slide. Spindle brake. Can you take the cover of the spindle off too? Okay. There you go. You can see better. And that's a low range machine. You can barely even hear it running. The only thing you hear is the cowl closer. Machine's pretty silent. It's going to engage the thread box, and we're threading. That's your cam to pull out, and reversing the threading. Just going to put it in, that's your tailstock. Tailstock is a number 2 Morse taper. All right. Again, the bed is reground and tersite has been redone underneath the carriage. Your spindle has new bearings in there. You have some collets inside. Machine is in super condition. Thanks for watching.